Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you the Zodiac Rabbit in 2023, which is also the year of Water Rabbit. The Zodiac Rabbit and the year of the rabbit is the same, so there's something special. But before we do that, you need to find out if you are born in the following period, your zodiac is a rabbit and you have so many beautiful advantages. The most outstanding one come to my mind is a caution, which is really like a special, because rabbit is the most careful zodiac among other 12 zodiacs. So this is something really amazing. And apart from that, there's others we call congenital advantage, which is you don't need to do anything. Those advantages just come with you. When the time you're born, you just have it because your zodiac is a rabbit. And I list 6 of them for your reference. Okay, the first one. The first one is a rabbit has a really bright and pleasant personality. Rabbit just have a smiling face, and people like to see a zodiac rabbit when you have like a bad mood, or if you want to talk to someone, or if you want to have a nice conversation, find a zodiac rabbit. He will be a nice buddy and a listener, and become your good friend to share all those good and bad. So this is one of those really sweet personality for rabbit. Okay, the second personality, which is artistic talent. Most of the zodiac rabbit have a different artistic talent. Some is playing piano, dancing, karaoke, playing some music instrument, drawing, or other artistic talents. Or maybe they are really good to enjoy those a picture, art. So there's some certain type of artistic talent within the bottom half of the zodiac rabbit. So this is something we understand. Okay, the third one is when there's something need to do something really special or something really important, rabbit will show extra caution, extra pay attention to all the detail, so it can get the job done nicely. Okay, the number 4. The number 4 is a sympathy characteristic. When people suffering from a sickness, or suffering from some loss, financial loss, or even loss for their loved one, so the rabbit have the same feeling, so they can be a good listener, a good person to share those feeling. So rabbit is a really good partner or buddy when you need someone to stay with. So rabbit, because they have a sympathy characteristic. Okay, the number 5. The number 5 is patient. Rabbit is one of the most zodiac with showing the patience. It won't be other zodiacs is so careless or so want to hurry up. Rabbit will show his patient characteristic and then help his friends and family and get the job done. Okay, the last one, number 6. Number 6 is also one of those really amazing characteristic, which is optimistic. So when you talk to rabbit, and when rabbit want to suffering from some downtime or some drawback from his life, there's some difficulty, obstacle, but rabbit will always show his personality, optimistic personality, and he will think that, hey, although right now there's some a bad timing, but those bad timing will gone, and his time will come. So he will show this personality and then overcome all those difficulties. This is also something amazing for zodiac rabbit. Okay, we mentioned the 6 congenital advantage for rabbit, and of course there's some congenital disadvantage, which is for your reference. And this time I'm also list 3 of them for your reference. The first one is some zodiac rabbit, not all of them, have the two-facedness. So maybe sometime he'll pay be a good guy in front of you, and later on he'll show some negative image inside his heart. There's seems to be is not really consistent between what Zodiac rabbit present and what is inside his heart. So maybe Zodiac rabbit is so clever, so it will always show the nice personality, the nice one. But in the bottom of their heart, there may be something we need to think about. Okay, the second one is universal love. So the rabbit would like to make friends with different people, have a lot of friendship. So people, especially those people, let's say if you are a guy, and then some lady will just, hey, maybe he is interested to me because he's smiling to me or speak to me in such a sweet way. So it will give different person is wrong, like an interpretation. Hey, maybe this Zodiac rabbit is interested in that lady or what, because this universal love is showing. So you're easily making some misunderstanding. So if you're Zodiac rabbit, you need to pay attention for that one. Okay, the number three is the escapism. So if, let's say, there's something is out of your control, or if something you can't handle it, you can't do it, you can't finish it, the Zodiac rabbit will show his characteristics. Maybe by verbally, he will commit, or he will let you know, hey, I will help you out. But in the bottom of their heart, they just want to run away. So this is something we need to pay attention. Okay, for the next part is, if you're Zodiac rabbit, you need to pair with pig and goat, be your like a business partner, 3 of them. Rabbit, goat, and pig, 3 of them together are the really strong business team and can accomplish lots of important tasks. In terms of like a personal partner, soulmate, if you want to find girlfriend or boyfriend, if you're Zodiac rabbit, you need to find dog. Zodiac dog is the best among other for you. And you can, if you can stay away from those other Zodiac like a rooster, rat, and dragon. They're not really good to rabbit. So if you can choose, stay away from them. Don't let them into your core team. It will help. Okay, the next thing I would like to share with you is the timing. Here is the good luck timing for Zodiac rabbit. Every single day from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. and then from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. If you have something important to do, you have a surgery you want to success, you have a lawsuit you want to win, you have an important contract you want to sign, or anything important, you can schedule them in your like a good luck timing. It will help. And if you can, please stay away from those bad luck timing, which is every single day from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. and then from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. Those are the bad luck timing. Do not schedule anything important in that timing, and it will help. And in 2023, there's a 4 auspicious start helping you, which is the 歲家, the 玉堂, 象星, and 文昌. All 4 of them are really special. The 歲家 is some special like authority will blessing you, will helping you out, and then the 玉堂 is some like a good people will surrounding you and help you. 象星 is really good for your career, and then especially can show your leadership. The 文昌 is good for your education, good for promotion, good for like a examination. But unfortunately, this year is the year of the rabbit, and your Zodiac is a rabbit. So this year, you will suffering a lot of ups and downs, ups of challenge, obstacle. But because you have a 4 good start is a blessing you, so it won't be too bad. But you need to pay attention. There will be some ups and downs, will be some challenge to you. Okay. In terms of the inauspicious start for this year, there's a 4 of them, which is all 4 of them are so serious and so important. The first one is the 太歲, which is the king of the year, and this year is offending the king, so you'll have a lot of ups and downs. And then the second one is the 劍鋒. 劍鋒 is easily to let you have some accident, some minor injury, and 伏屍 is bad for the health, bad for the your body situation. The last one is the 天后, is also not really good for the health and will bring you have a sickness issue. So you need to pay attention for this 4th star. Okay, in terms of the overall forecast in 2023, because this year is the same as a rabbit, so we call the 直太歲, 反太歲, against the 太歲, so there will be a lot of challenge, lots of ups and downs, lots of unexpected things will happen. You need to prepare for that. And I recommend you choose something like a more constructive way to live this year, and then be more low profile, and be careful for those hidden enemy. They are in the dark corner and try to find an opportunity to against you, so you need to prepare to prevent them. Okay, the next thing is the financial forecast. You will have a lot of a financial burden, unexpected expenditure, and then the financial fortune is not really optimistic this year. So be careful, especially in March, August, and September. Those are not really good luck month for you. And don't lend money to your friends, your relatives, unless you're prepared they don't return to you. Otherwise, you may lose the money, and then you will lose the friendship too. And if possible, prepare more like a petty cash, or have more cash on hand in case anything happens, so you still have a financial ability to fix it. Okay, the next thing is the career forecast. The career forecast is this year you have a huge job pressure, lots of stress bothering you, your boss, your co-worker is not understanding you, your customer is the same. Maybe you need to bear some responsibility which is not belong to you. And what you need to do is stay calm and then be positive. And then if possible, don't try to change your job. Keep your job this year is a good idea. Okay, the next thing is the love and family forecast. The love energy for this year is not really good. It's quite low. And then you need to be careful for some family conflict. And be careful, there are some people who will try to pretend your friend and give you some scam call or trap and then try to cheat you. Be careful for that. Okay, the last thing is the health forecast. There will be some health concern, so you need to prepare for that one. Drive really safe, don't get hurt, don't try to have any car accident. You need to try all your best to prevent it, and avoid those dangerous sports. Don't do that this year. And if you need to travel, make sure that you have some travel insurance, and then only travel to some location which is safe to you. And I wish you good luck this year, and thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn more about traditional Feng Shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current Feng Shui setting and yearly Feng Shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.